What is it?
Whoa.
Whoa, he is gonna like that.
What is this? Mickey activity plane?
Oh my god, it's a plane. Be careful, that might hit your hand. Whoa, it's a real plane, Isaac.
It's not too bad. Look at this.
Cool, activity plane.
What do you think?
Says for 12 to 36 months, so that's good for Isaac. We're gonna have to get that out of the box.
Yes.
Okay, we'll get it out of the box and then we'll record some more.